Hello guys, welcome to my channel Mysterious World. In this video we will discuss about the most beautiful places in the United States. Enjoy my selection. Before we start, make sure to subscribe my channel to get the latest travel videos. Remember to set that notification bell to get notified anytime I post a new video. The United States ranks top among the most scenic sightseeing countries not only in North America but also internationally. While the world's leading superpower features countless tourist attractions, it's home to some particularly irresistible sights and sounds that clearly tower higher than the rest in terms of beauty and visitor numbers. The proof is seen in the numbers as certain USA destinations always outrank the rest in regards to engagement on social media platforms such as Instagram. Here are the 5 most beautiful places in the United States. Number 1 is Grand Canyon, Arizona. Even the most skeptical traveler will get awestruck at the sheer sight of Arizona's Grand Canyon, doubtless one of the most beautiful places to visit in the USA. This variously endowed tourist magnet features expansive gorges, an endless array of awe-inspiring ridges and rock formations, as well as a limitless variety of rare vantage points. Whether you're a fan of hiking tours or a lover of exotic trails, the Grand Canyon remains the ultimate answer to all your holidaying cravings. In fact, anyone's tour of the United States can never be complete without a glimpse of this irresistible destination. Number 2 is Mount Rushmore National Memorial, South Dakota. Mount Rushmore is found in the Black Hills region of South Dakota, an estimated 23 miles southwest Keystone's Rapid City. With Rapid City as its nearest metropolis, the globally acclaimed tourist center attracts millions of both indigenous and foreign holidaymakers. Due to the area's awesome features and amenities that include great accommodations and dining facilities, the memorial is ranked among the most beautiful sightseeing spots worldwide. Number 3 is Yellowstone National Park, Wyoming. Wyoming's Yellowstone National Park is one of the world's most toured places. Increasing millions of local and overseas trippers pour into this internationally famed marvel to see volcanic eruptions rising up in hot springs and geysers. Others visit Yellow National Park to enjoy unrivaled mountain views and also watch various wildlife species roaming their natural habitats. As sojourners engage the park's friendly guides and welcoming attendees, they're regaled with sundry details about the historical events leading to the establishment of this commendable conservation of rare world-famous treasures. Number 4 is Glacier National Park, Montana. Located in Montana's Rocky Mountain area, Glacier National Park is a globally famous wilderness patch that's characterized by glacier-carved peaks that spread into the Canadian border. The wonderful trip destination makes for a vastly endowed spot for backpacking, camping, and cycling. Again, wildlife lovers will be treated to a spectacular variety of rare beasts that include grizzly bears to agile mountain goats. What's even more interesting about this beautiful location is the fact that it's home to world's rarest species. This notable attribute explains why the international tourist behemoth received well over 4,000 visitors barely a year after the park's establishment. Number 5 is Acadia National Park, Maine. Found on the Mount Desert Island in Maine, this glacier-scoured landscape remains one of the world's widely visited locales. The popular park entails sprawling woodlands and vast strips of rocky beaches that cannot be found anywhere else out there. With Bar Harbor as one of the locality's most vibrant bayside urban centers, the top-ranking destination is well known for its wonderful accommodation and dining facilities. The park is primarily liked due to the countless recreational facilities and activities it promises all its fun-loving visitors. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out my future videos. Let me know what you think of this video in the comments. Goodbye, love you all.